Do you understand me? A tight ship.
Technically, it's no ship.
Shut your gob, you Ned prick!
Actually, it's not a ship.
Shut the fucking book on you wee gobshites messing with my operation.
Actually.
That chef might be a mate of yours, but he does not run things around here. I do.
Did I go this way? What's this? Oh my god! What the fuck? Slap me.
Is he not waking up? Can you
Slap
hear me?
me.
Is he gonna die, Brody?
Slap me and I'll wake up. Slap me. How are we alive? This guy's luck is insane. How are we alive? Like, oh my god, that's so crazy.